What's up, guys? Dr. Crank here. Look at them skies, man. Sitting out here in the front yard. If you listen, you hear no birds, nothing. Even my quail that I've got that chatter all the time, they're being extremely quiet. We're like number 4 in the zone right now for tornadoes. All that you hear in the background, that's not traffic from the highway. The highway is like 4 miles from here. Like, you stand out here on a calm day, you hear absolutely nothing. That's wind. But anyway, this is what it sounds like when a tornado's coming, which we're under a severe threat right now. Tornado warning. It's like you hear that wind, but it's the lack of birds. You see no bumblebees flying around, even no wasps. And we got severe mahogany wasp infestations around here, and the jokers like this. They out all the time. Look at that. Shit's about to hit the fan here. I'm not worried about it. I'll be alright. Anyway, it's what to look for. Severe thunderstorm, tornado warning. If you're in an area that is under tornado warning, seek shelter. That's what we're about to do. Peace out.